Okay, so Josh is going to sterile filter his protein sample, and let's see what type of syringe filter you've got. You have a 0.45 micron PES, and the alternative is we could use a 0.22 micron PES, but that's really small. It'll be harder to syringe filter, so we're going to use the 0.45 and a big syringe. So let's see if we can find a big syringe. Probably need about a 50 ml syringe. Okay, so we're going to continue with our syringe filtering, and I'm going to show Joshua how to use the syringe and the filter, 0.45 micron PES filter with our protein samples. And this will remove particulate matter and allow us to it to flow better through the purification column. So I'm going to pull out the plunger first, and then attach the filter. And one problem is that these syringes don't have a lure lock, and there's a screw-on lure lock here, so we're actually going to see if we can find a different syringe to make this a tighter fit. So okay, so now we have a lure lock syringe that has a screw top on the end of it, so this will hold the filter on better. We pull out the plunger first, and then, while not touching this side, we screw on the lure lock of the syringe, and then we'll be able to load our sample into here and depress it through. And what we need to do is actually grab two 50 ml centrifuge tubes. So let's do that. Now we've got our syringe filter on, we've got our plunger out, and we've got our tube to take our new filtered protein. We'll take the top off, and then what we're going to do is pour our protein into it. This is our protein from the expression protocol. You want to hold it over there in case it starts dripping. And actually, we've got all of it in there, so that's good. And now we're going to gently put the plunger on and depress. Okay, and so that's done. This would go in biohazard waste now. And now we can do the other protein sample. So we can see it's much cleaner now. Okay. So
load my protein sample into the syringe. Open this tube now. This is a screw top screw onto.
So it's got a lure lock on it.
Needs to be fastened tightly. You're not supposed to touch the bottom.
And remember, let's take the filter off and then pull the plunger out, so that you don't do negative pressure on the filter. There you go. Okay, so he's poured the protein sample into the filter, and this is protein sample that has been spun down, so this is the soluble fraction. Holding it over a new 50 ml conical tube and filtering the sample through.
goodness.
Okay, it's got some junk on the end, that's okay. You can toss that. And then that'll go in biohazard waste. And then let's take a look at your final product there. Okay, good. So nice clarified lysate that's ready to go for the purification steps with the nickel resin.